Cooking Corner. Oh, didn't see you there. Welcome to Late Night Cooking Corner with Giuseppe CrimiVaroli. Tonight on the episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make 3 mixed drinks and 2 mixed shots for your New Year's Eve. Let's get to it. Alright folks, the first drink we're going to be making for you tonight is a vodka drink. It's called the Dirty Shirley. If you've had a Shirley Temple, this is the adult version of that. So here's how it works. You're going to start by filling your glass all the way up with ice cubes. So go ahead, start filling. Once it's filled, you're going to add 1 shot of vodka. Once you've added the vodka, you fill with Sprite. Once you've filled it with Sprite, you're going to add just a pinch of grenadine. And you can top it with a maraschino cherry. Fish in a barrel. Now you are ready to enjoy yourself a Dirty Shirley. Alright folks, the second drink I'm going to be making for you tonight is called the Peach Long Island Iced Tea. Instead of Contro, we're going to be using peach schnapps. Instead of regular Coke, I'm using Diet Coke. And instead of white tequila, we're using gold tequila. But other than those alterations, it's a standard mix. So, you're going to start by adding ice to your shaker. Just a little bit, not too much. 1, maybe 2 scoops. Then you're going to add in equal parts a ½ ounce of white rum, dark rum, gin, peach schnapps, tequila, and vodka. So let's get started. A little bit of white rum, ½ ounce to be exact. A little bit of dark rum, ½ ounce to be exact. A little bit of gin, ½ ounce to be exact. A little bit of tequila, ½ ounce to be exact. A little bit of peach schnapps, ½ ounce to be exact. And a little bit of vodka, ½ ounce to be exact. Now on top of all that, you're going to add 2 ounces of sour mix. Then you're going to top your shaker, shake it all up. Put some ice in your glass. Pour in your drink. And you'll top it with your Coke. Next, you're going to grab a straw. Stir it up so it looks like iced tea. And you're ready to drink. Alright folks, the next drink I'll be making for you tonight is a classic vacation drink, the Mai Tai. What you're going to need is a dark rum, an orange liqueur, and an amaretto liqueur. I'm using Bacardi, Contro, and Disaronno. To start, you're going to take your mixer and fill it halfway with ice. Once it's halfway full, you're going to add 2 ounces of dark rum. After that, you're gonna add a ½ ounce of the Contro. Next, you're gonna add some lime juice, about half a lime's worth, whatever that means. I'm gonna add probably about 1.5 ounces. Finally, you can top it off with a splash of Disaronno. Now you can top your shaker, shake it lightly. And you can serve it over ice. So go ahead, fill your regular glass with ice. Pour your Mai Tai into the glass. You can throw a cherry on there for garnish. A little umbrella on top so people know you're on vacation. And how about a straw to drink it with? Behold, a Mai Tai. Alright folks, the first shot I'm going to be making for you tonight is a Kamikaze. What you're going to need are in equal parts vodka, triple sec, and lime juice. ½ ounce of each. Now we're going to mix it in a mixer with ice. So go ahead and start mixing your alcohols. ½ ounce vodka, ½ ounce triple sec, ½ ounce lime juice. Go ahead, tap your drink. Give it a good shake. Then pretend that shot glass is Pearl Harbor. Behold, a Kamikaze. Alright folks, the last drink I'm going to be making for you tonight is a shooter called the Antarctica. So, here's how it's going to work. We're going to start by adding equal parts blue curacao and ice cold vodka. So go ahead, pour in your blue curacao first. Once that's in there, you can take a spoon and hold it over the glass as you pour your vodka in. And that will hopefully create a leveling effect. You know, it actually worked. That's the Antarctica shot. See, I kind of fucked it up. It's not really leveling.
That's okay.
Where's the book of shots? Maybe do something easier.
Take it and go.
I mean, I'll take it, but I kind of feel like I fucked up this one. Alright folks, the last drink I'm going to be making for you tonight is called the Sour Warhead. What you're going to need to do is fill your mixer halfway with ice, and then add in equal parts a ½ ounce of sour mix, a ½ ounce of lemon juice, and a ½ ounce of vodka. So, let's get to it. ½ ounce of vodka, ½ ounce of lemon juice, and a ½ ounce of sweet and sour mix. Just gonna cap it, shake it up, Pour it into the shot glass. The sour Warhead. Alright folks, that concludes tonight's episode of Late Night Cooking Corner with Giuseppe CrimiVaroli. If you enjoyed this special drink episode, let us know. We might do something else like this sometime. We want you to make sure you have a happy new year and stay safe out there. And bye-bye now. Alright folks, the first drink we're going to be making for you is a vodka drink by the name of the Dirty Shirley. You've had a Shirley Temple? This is Shirley's older sister. Goes by Charlene. Let's cut that bit. Strike that.
Strike Shirley.
No, you should do that. That's good.
Maybe don't say Shirley, but older sister.
It is Shirley's older sister.
Shirley's hotter older sister.
We're not going to say that.